This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. One COVID-19 related death in East Khasi Hills district took the number of fatalities due to the viral infection to 151, and 121 fresh cases surged the number of positive cases to 565 in Meghalaya yesterday. The new COVID-19 cases included 18 in East Khasi Hills, 26 in West Jaintia Hills, 5 each in East Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi, 2 each in Southwest Khasi Hills and West Garo Hills, and 1 in North Garo Hills district. 12 more recoveries from the viral disease took the number of recovered cases in the state so far to 13,986. Till yesterday, 1,71,270 doses of Covishield vaccine were administered across Meghalaya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a comprehensive review to ensure adequate supply of medical oxygen in the country. Mr. Modi has asserted that it is important to ensure synergy across ministries and state governments to maintain the adequate supply of oxygen. He has directed to increase production of medical oxygen to fulfill the growing demands. The centre has asked all states and union territories to ensure hassle-free inter- and intrastate movement of vehicles carrying medical oxygen. The East Khasi Hills District Magistrate Isawanda Laloo has ordered Section 144 CrPC to be enforced on Sundays, prohibiting the opening of shops, establishments and markets as well as roadside vendors in Shillong agglomeration. The order, however, exempts pharmacies and pharmaceutical stores. The order comes into effect after inspections were conducted and it was found that COVID-19 protocols of social distancing, hand hygiene and masks wearing was not being followed. Non-adherence to SOPs will attract penalties as per the law, the order stated. In Manipur, 31 new COVID-19 positive cases were detected yesterday, raising the active cases to 165. Among the new cases, 29 persons are from the general population, while 2 are personnel from the Central Armed Police Force, while 7 COVID-19 patients recovered from the infection. Meanwhile, 102,470 persons, including 32,141 healthcare workers, were vaccinated in Manipur till yesterday. Nagaland reported 22 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the total caseload to 12,504. Health Minister S. Pangnupom informed that 15 cases were detected in Dimapur, 4 in Kohima, 2 in Mokokchung and 1 in Longleng. He also said that 2 more persons recovered from the infection. With this, the total recovered cases in the state stands at 12,102. In addition, 1 COVID-19 related death from Dimapur has been registered, taking the fatality count to 84. Presently, the number of active cases in Nagaland is 139. In view of the rapid surge in COVID-19 cases in the country and the need for taking immediate measures for preventing the spread of the virus, the Nagaland government has issued new standard operating procedures for all public gatherings. Social, academic, entertainment, cultural, political, religious functions and gatherings are permitted outside the containment zones, but gatherings shall be limited to 50% of the seating capacity or 200 persons, whichever is lower. Members of the Hinyotrep Achik National Movement and Hinyotrep Youth Council staged a protest demanding the implementation of the inner line permit outside the Secretariat in Shillong yesterday. Vice Chairman of the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization and the President of HANM, Lam Kharbani, stated that as some state leaders are leaving for Delhi, the agitation would serve as a reminder to them to take up the ILP issue at the centre. Besides this, he stated that they would intensify agitation in the state if the government fails to acknowledge their demands. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday inaugurated the new electrical and mechanical workshop building at Imphal International Airport. Planning and Development Authority, Manipur, was the implementing agency for the construction of the workshop building. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Singh said that upgradation of Imphal Airport into an international airport was a long-awaited project. He stressed on the need to develop the airport into a fully functional international airport at the earliest. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.